Welcome back. You might be wondering why I'm skiing on the slope, wearing a race suit and a helmet and goggles. Well, we'll talk about that in this episode. Let's roll the intro. Hey! So, I introduced the segment in a race suit, and now I'm wearing a jacket and some pants. Now, the question is, what's better? Should I wear a race suit? What are the benefits of a race suit? And what are the benefits of wearing a jacket and pants? Let's look into that right now. Follow me up. Let's talk about the benefits of a race suit compared to a jacket and pant combo. We can start off with the easy one. So let's start off with this. Obviously, I'm going to be a lot warmer in this. It is way warmer. I have pockets I can put stuff into, such as my ski pass, my phone, etc. And I have protection from the elements. If it rains, if it snows, if it's very windy, I'm protected. I can zip up, put my hood on, and I'm going to be way warmer and way cozier than I am going to be in this, which is basically your standard speed suit or race suit. Now, there's several types of race suits. This one is a simple skin. Basically, it has no padding. It is just a stretchy fabric that goes over your bottom layer, your base layers. Its purpose is to give you more mobility. You're going to move more. You're going to be more flexible because the suit's going to allow it. Like a gymnast wearing a leotard. When you wear this, you're going to be able to move a lot more. But the main function of a race suit or a speed suit is to make you streamlined. Air creates resistance, and if you're in baggy clothes like this, you're gonna go slower than if you're in a streamlined suit like this, which makes you nice and thin and makes the air hug your body. Now, the disadvantage of that, obviously, you're gonna be very cold in this compared to this. But if you put good base layers and you wear a jacket over the suit before your race, you'll be fine. And another disadvantage to this is obviously there's no pockets, and it's not entirely comfortable. It is like a wetsuit, kind of uncomfortable, but it's all personal preference. It's a uniform, so it's got, we can edit that out. It's got markings on it, it's got the infinite ski markings. If I grab this other one, it's got the sponsors on it, it's got the country on it, etc. And they all really serve the same function. They are a uniform for the skier, and they allow you to put armor over it, such as shin guards for slalom or GS guards, and they just make the racer more efficient going down the course. That's really the benefit of the race suit. Now, when I'm skiing for leisure, I'm always going to be wearing a jacket and pants, or if it's very warm, maybe just a base layer and pants. But it's also about, you know, looking good. So as long as you look good, feel good, it's all good. If you're still watching, then you must have really been bored. But I hope you learned something about the benefits of a race suit compared to a normal ski outfit. Now, whatever is your preference, if you're going to get serious about racing, you do want to consider getting a race suit because it'll give you a bit of edge over the competition, and it'll make you more streamlined, and also it will make you look more like a racer. And let's not forget, it's about looking good more than anything. Now, this is only the second installment, but we're working on some more episodes. As always, comment below what you'd like us to cover in these episodes. And thank you for skiing with us today.